Yeah, one time we saw a black bear here. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
And he was on the other side of the canal here. But he saw us and he started running. Baby, it's poop.
White poop. Not sure whose animal has a white poop. Maybe the baby alligator does. I don't know.
Good morning. Like you can see, another swamp adventure. We are somewhere in the swamps in the Big Cypress. We are looking for the ghost orchids that's in bloom, but the chances are very minimal because it's a very early in the season. But it's been about a year that we have been here, and yeah, we wanted something different again, and yeah, that's why we are here. And like you can see, the water. Normally the water was high because normally if we come here, this area is normally dry, and the water levels are way in the middle there. And all this, I don't know how you call it.
Duckweed.
Yes, I don't like to walk in it because you don't see the gators in this. So, but this time I didn't forget. I have my big knife with me. Just enough to poke his eye. But better something as nothing, so. But anyway, we will keep you posted on this adventure, and hopefully we can show you a ghost orchid.
Oh, damn, you scared me. That thing was jumping. Oh man. See, did you see that all? The stick came out of there. That could have been a gator. Oh, crazy. I don't like the duckweed at all.
No, the duckweed, you don't see anything. That's why I go also very slow now.
And I thought like, let's stay at the side of the pond, but no. He doesn't listen. Look at this plant. That's a nice ghost orchid plant. We've been tracking it for a couple of years now, and with the hurricane Ian, it took a beating. It didn't look that good anymore, but I have to say it looks now a little bit better, and it has 2 spikes on it. So we took a picture a couple of years ago, and it was a really special one because it had like 2 buds, a flower and a seed pod. So to have that combination was something really special.
Oh, well, I see something.
What?
It's not a ghost orchid, but I see something. All right, some people let me go through it. I have to go around. I have to go around here. Oop. And I see an orchid. It takes a while that I get there because, you see, and in the water you don't see anything, and it's full of branches. And sometimes it's branches, then suddenly you are in the mud. And there I will make a picture from. Wait a moment, I will show you. If you see it, Vele?
Yes.
Oh, look there.
Dingy star.
The dingy star.
But look, there is the native, like the non-native Chinese orchid as well.
It's like, I don't know that you see it on the GoPro.
And this is the root. There's like a ball-shaped root.
Like a ball-shaped root. This one.
It usually comes with the mulch. That's how it came here.
Sometimes if you see in your backyard like some mulch and you see the like something like that, like a ball that's coming out, that's in most cases this one.
As you can see, we are still making the picture. It's quite a challenge with the wind and the sun that comes and goes, so no chance for bracketing. But I just checked Rudy his picture of that dingy star orchid, and that's looking really nice. Mine, on the other hand,
I have my medallion.
that one is a real challenge. And Rudy was just telling me he has a hard time too, so it was not me alone. Hey, that might be a nice break in the sun.
Well, but I just arranged the whole thing.
Go Rudy, go Rudy. You can do it, you can do it.
But all those animals.
Yeah, the yellow flies are constantly hanging around the cameras. It's crazy.
Yes, you can see it.
But we'll show this one for sure, and that one is still a question. We're just checking up on that plant there. We took a picture of a flower last year, and that same flower produced a seed pod right there. So, and it has a new spike as well, so that's a good sign, and we'll keep an eye on it. It's gonna take a while still, but we'll follow up.
We are heading out. We didn't find any bud and not a flower, a lot of plants, and then a couple of spikes, and then that seed pod. So there is a good life. Like here, I'm pretty sure the animals goes from one to the other. You can see that. Oh, here we are again, the bench. So that means our adventure of today is over. It was a good adventure. So, yeah.
Yeah, we didn't see a ghost orchid flower, but we did see several spikes that we're gonna follow up on. And that's it for today.
All right, guys.
See you later, alligators.